Hello everyone, it is AVICIOUSVIXEN, and I just wanted to give you a short video on how I got this weird green color out of my hair, because it ain't what I wanted. So first, when beginning any hair process, you want to put your hair into sections. That's just going to make the process go so much easier. I watched a few YouTube videos on people creating this concoction, and what they had in common were baking soda, Creme Developer, I am using 20 volume, and some clarifying shampoo, and I'm using that good old green apple, that VO5 from Walmart in the 78-cent bottle. I saw a few people also apply toner, but we don't have time for that, nor do I need it. And I got this almost cake batter consistency, which is going to work perfect for staying in my hair. So you want to grab your towel and your gloves, and I started in the back of my head, just using my fingers to really work the product in. As you can see, I did make the sections into even smaller sections just to make sure I coated everything. I am going to cover my entire head in this concoction, which felt like a weird deep conditioner, and I let it sit in my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes under a plastic bag. That is what it looked like after 30 to 45 minutes under said plastic bag. While it did lighten my roots, because there was no actual bleach in the process, I didn't have any burns, thankfully. And this is what it looks like after I use just the clarifying shampoo to rinse out the products. While this is a very pretty color, it's not what I wanted. I wanted a more blue shade. So I'm going to use two Manic Panic colors. I always use Manic Panic to dye my hair. I am using Rockabilly blue for the majority of my hair, and I'm just working that in with my hands. As you can see, my forehead is shiny because I put Vaseline around my hairline, so I didn't get stained dye around my edges. And as I got to the top of my head, I realized that I was not going to have enough in the one jar to cover my whole head. So I used Voodoo blue, which is the tealy color that you see. And I just, every other row in my bangs, because I like to have my bangs a decent sized chunk, I put Voodoo blue, then I put Rockabilly blue, and that just gave my bangs some dimension. You want to work the color into your hair until it gets like kind of frothy. So if you use Manic Panic colors, that's normal for them to froth up like that. And then about 30 to 45 minutes later, I went ahead and rinsed everything out with some cool water. And this is what we came out with. I am super pleased with this. I thought it was so cute. And it helps me achieve my goal of further looking like I stepped out of an anime or a video game, which is what we really want in life. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope you will stick around for the next one because I have some interesting things coming, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.